Since early March, Zibo, a small city in China's Shandong province, suddenly shot to fame. People from all across the country have been flocking to the city for one thing: barbecue. What makes Zibo barbecue special is that on each table is a small stove, and customers can process skewers themselves and then wrap them in a thin pancake, usually with scallions inside. The immersive experience of making customized Zibo barbecue has attracted diners from various parts of China.
河北衡水自驾来的，3-4个小时吧，就为了吃这顿烧烤。
最吸引人的地方就是首先用自己动手去烤，我觉得这是这个地方的一个特色。
小饼卷肉蘸上酱非常的好吃。
特意从广西来到我们山东淄博吃烧烤的，口味很好，就是这个肉非常多。
This dish was initially popular among college students due to its unique taste, DIY style, and affordability. Then it gained nationwide fame after it was promoted by social media influencers. Barbecue restaurants have fueled Zibo's economic growth and boosted its vitality. Incomplete statistics show the city has more than 3,000 barbecue restaurants. At least 370 new restaurants opened last month.
一天到晚忙不停，炉子3米长的炉子，一炉子400串，从早上9点多一直到下午晚上8点多，肉不能停，一停然后过去就得等了，都得排队。销量的话，一天的串1万串起步吧。
The feast has offered nationwide food lovers another popular destination for the first spring break after the country optimized its COVID-19 response measures. During the 5-day May Day holiday, tourism orders in Zibo, including hotels and major tourist destinations, saw a formidable year-on-year surge of 2,000%, according to figures released by the local Culture and Tourism Bureau.
不只有好吃的，还有好玩的。感觉各项政策对我们青年来说都很友好，确实是一个挺有活力，然后很适合年轻人的一个城市。
我烧烤好吃。